want your siblings. Your siblings, baby, where your siblings?
I'm on a vlog. Should I got anything to say to the vlog? No, there's so many videos. I don't even feel like shooting. I got like 4 videos backed up. When do you want me to start posting some of these more videos?
I mean, what's today, Monday? You can post Monday.
And then post on Wednesday and then Friday.
Well, we can shoot a video today while we got sunlight. When do you want to make a video, man?
I know I want to make a video at Disney. So.
We should make a video.
She on that Bella. She on that Bella. Let me stop. I'm not going that.
My baby. The Black China machine. Shade baby. Shade's Black China. Move, white boy. Shade's Black China. Move. Shade's baby, the Black China machine. Black China. She's so pretty.
She's so pretty. Can't keep her clean though.
She's short.
Can't keep her clean.
Shamar, what the heck? What text message did I just read? Guys, look. Anytime a younger sibling, don't go through their phones because you'll find stuff that you're not ready to see yet. And then, younger brothers, don't ask your sisters what she's planning on doing with her boyfriends. Just don't do it. That's just setting yourself up. Don't do it.
So we're going to a buffet after this.
Trying to watch Black China, but they put
a big ass car anyway. Big ass car. Yeah. So we're going to a buffet after this because we're going to get our grubs on. I know y'all see a nigga wet, right? We went to this buffet. They had an open sign, but they wasn't open. Shit pissed me off. From McDonald's?
Yeah.
Try to eat healthy this day. Try to eat a breakfast or something. Fuck it.
Can you go to Taco Bell?
I want to go to Taco Bell.
I don't want McDonald's.
Shit, what do you want?
Hello.
About to eat. Hungry. Yeah. Oh. But at Taco Bell. They ordered a big one. Should they pull out the big bills? Look at Shay. Bye. Bruh, got my food. Good. T's ass. Pepsi's on good. First Mountain Dew ass. Ass.
Seltzer water.
Seltzer water. Ass. Water. Alright.
It's water?
No, it's ass.
I was gonna say, that's definitely what I just got.
Ass. Want y'all just got food? Let's go. Got my food about to smack down.
I'm hungry, so.
Got a hash brown, breakfast burrito, and a crunch wrap. How what you get?
Huh?
What you get?
I got a soft taco, a burrito supreme, and a breakfast burrito. So I'm gonna get some tacos.
Okay. Smash out, Shane.
Not before we say grace.
Everything good, Shay? No complaints?
That breakfast burrito was legit. And these cinnamon things on it. I should have got 4.
Yeah, this breakfast burrito is lit. I like that. Try that. You know how to try that. That is beast. That's cool too.
The hash brown?
I love eating with Shade. Quality sibling time. Were you satisfied with your meal, Shade?
Yes, I'm full and I'm ready to take a nap. Taco Bell, thank you, because we was having a bad morning.
Y'all seen how the morning was going so far. I'm fully also. Ready to go to fuck to sleep. Chance gonna take us home. We're gonna go to fuck to sleep.
Right? Put in the Copyright infringement.
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
I'm gonna be able to homework once again, eating hot dogs and drinking water.
That's how what's his name? That's how Lil Yachty be. He be always eating. Cause he gay. He ain't no goat. He a folk. I got those bars from downtown undercover. Yeah.
We forget that my
What's
most
up?
viewed video ever was bending an iPhone in half.
So I'm watching
The same
YouTube.
comments existed
And I'm
in
posting
which people
YouTube.
were saying I was
We were supposed to go
paying
stay
for
near
Samsung
there,
in order
but
to
obviously it's not gonna
video,
happen.
Which reached, by the way, 70 million people and also had an
Thanks,
impact on the overall stock
Not gonna
evaluation
get
and
mad.
the market cap of Apple.
About to do a video for y'all. You already know. Man, oh man, oh man, we just made a banger. Y'all thought the clothes swap was a banger? Nah, the video we about to make is gonna be a pop party. That's the only hint I got for y'all, bro. Man, we just made a banger. Mafia Productions, man. Made banger alert, banger alert. Hey, Shawty, is the editor for that new video? Hey, up.
So I'm about to change my shirt.
Everything's top secret.
What? Okay.
If I ask you if the video's up, you gotta say everything's top secret. Shawty, is the video up?
Everything's top secret.
I like that. I like that. What's up, vlog? Just chilling with my hair. I know there's a gap between time, but hey, it's nighttime. No, it's nighttime, and you know, just chilling.
Did I watch TV?
I ever just wonder if I could do a hair tutorial. Not really long hair. Some people will know how I do it or something. I don't care about hair enough to do it though. Trying to return it back to its curly self, and it's not going back. I'm gonna try moisturizing at night and in the morning. Bye-bye. I just moisturized my hair. I'm watching the Death Note now. Watching the Death Note. I love this show. Yeah, just chilling. Might edit the videos a little later on today. Yeah, but love my moisturized hair.
Japan is part of the secret investigation, so the local police can't find out that I understand. I promise I won't tell anyone I met you, and of course, that includes my father. Well, then, please excuse me. It's just as I thought.
But yeah, this show's really good. Currently, right now, it's 12:36. April, I think like 4th or 3rd or something. And you know, I'm just blessed again today. That was April 4th today. Edited a new video. Gonna have that, well, not have it up, but it's done. I can just post it whenever. It's the end of this beautiful day. Well, beginning of a new day. And I would just like to say, love you, vlog. Love y'all, Mafia. Keep doing what y'all do. Keep liking these vlogs. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing. Keep commenting. I love everything. And yes, I noticed the new Mafia members, the old Mafias, the OG Mafias. So I love all of y'all. Peace out, vlog. Love you.